हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ साइबा आर के। आप सभी का हमारे चैनल AR स्मार्ट स्टडी में स्वागत है जीके स्पेशली फॉर 12th एंड नीट प्रिपरेशन। सो लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। आज का हमारा चैप्टर है ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन। टॉपिक है प्रोसेस ऑफ oogenesis, गैमेटोजेनेसिस। 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं। पहला स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस, प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पर्म्स फ्रॉम द इमेच्योर मेल जर्म सेल, और दूसरा oogenesis, प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ओवम फ्रॉम द इमेच्योर फीमेल जर्म सेल, gametogenesis, in which sperm ovum are produced from the germ cells। दिखाई गई इमेज के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने ऑल 20 क्वेश्चंस को तैयार किया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what is the process of the formation of a mature female gamete called? A. Oogenesis, B. Menstruation, C. Spermatogenesis, D. Ovulation। Answer A. Oogenesis। Question number 2. The onset of oogenesis occurs during A. Embryonic development, B. Puberty, C. Adulthood, D. Birth। Answer B. Puberty। Question number 3. What are the cells that secondary oocyte divides into called? A. Ovum and first polar body, B. Ovum and second polar body, C. First polar body and second polar body, D. Primary oocyte and second polar body। Answer B. Ovum and second polar body। Question number 4. What cells, along with primary oocyte, make a primary follicle? A. Sertoli cells, B. Puberty, C. Oogonia, D. Granulosa cells। Answer D. Granulosa cells। Question number 5. The first round of meiosis of oogonium is completed in which follicle? A. Graafian follicle, B. Tertiary follicle, C. Secondary follicle, D. Granulosa cells। Answer B. Tertiary follicle। Question number 6. The division of primary oocyte into the secondary oocyte and first polar body is an example of A. Symmetric division, B. Asexual reproduction, C. Asymmetric division, D. Sexual reproduction। Answer C. Asymmetric division। Question number 7. Person with tetraploidy will have set of chromosomes in their first polar body. A. Haploid, B. Diploid, C. Polyploid, D. Daughter cell। Answer C. Polyploid। Question number 8. What stage is the oocyte released from the ovary? A. Primary oocyte, B. Secondary oocyte, C. Oogonia, D. Granulosa cells। Answer B. Secondary oocyte। Question number 9. What is the stage of the cell cycle at which primary oocytes are arrested? A. Prophase first, B. Metaphase first, C. Prophase second, D. Metaphase second। Answer A. Prophase first। Question number 10. What are the cells that primary oocyte divides into called? A. Secondary oocyte and first polar body. B. First polar body and second polar body. C. Ovum and second polar body. D. Secondary oocyte and second polar body. Answer A. Secondary oocyte and first polar body. Question number 11. The mature follicle that holds the secondary oocyte before release from the ovary is called as A. Graafian follicle. B. Primary follicle. C. Secondary follicle. D. Tertiary follicle. Answer A. Graafian follicle. Question number 12. What are three phases of oogenesis? A. Interstitial gland. B. Tertiary follicle. C. Luteal gland. D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question number 13. What are the white remains of the Graafian follicle left after its rupture called? A. Graafian follicle. B. Corpus luteum. C. Corpus delicti. D. Corpus callosum. Answer B. Corpus luteum. Question number 14. In addition to granulosa cells, what additional component is added to a primary follicle to transform it into a secondary follicle? A. Graafian follicle. B. Theca. C. Oogonia. D. Antrum. Answer B. Theca. Question number 15. The ovarian stroma is composed of which two components? A. External cortex and internal medulla. B. External medulla and internal cortex. C. External epithelium and internal medulla. D. External epithelium and internal cortex. Answer A. External cortex and internal medulla. Question number 16. The distinguishing characteristic of a tertiary follicle is a fluid-filled cavity called A. Sertoli cells. B. Granulosa. C. Zona pellucida. D. Antrum. Answer D. Antrum. Question number 17. Endosperm is formed only when it is needed. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question number 18. Zona pellucida is present around A. Corpus luteum. B. Granulosa. C. Mammalian oocytes. D. None of these. Answer C. Mammalian oocytes. Question number 19. What are three types of stages in ovarian follicles? A. Interstitial gland. B. Tertiary follicle. C. Luteal gland. D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question number 20. The membrane surrounding secondary oocyte is A. Sertoli cells. B. Granulosa. C. Oogonia. D. Zona pellucida. Answer D. Zona pellucida. यदि आप मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर वाइज MCQ पढ़ना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली 12th और नीट लेवल के लिए, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन को दबाएं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। नेक्स्ट पार्ट के वीडियो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स या पिन कमेंट में है।